Guys, so almost we are ready for our part 2 season 2 में हैं हम लोग. Let us get ready. I think Charlie 1, Charlie 2.
हाँ मैं टैंगो अब चार्ली.
ठीक है. So let's. Yes.
यार बहुत जल्दी स्टार्ट हो गया, मुझे लगा था बहुत टाइम लगेगा इसमें.
Okay, almost we are now starting our season 2. Maybe we need to put a little bit farther away from the.
अब मैं लेफ्ट करूँ राइट करूँ?
मैं आगे जाने दो. Guys, how do you feel? We feel awesome. Where are you? I don't see the camera.
Camera is recording us from top.
So let's do it on. यार मैं अपना फोन लेके आया हूँ.
मेरे पास भी है.
It's okay अगर भीग जाता है ना.
हाँ वाटर प्रूफ आपको. यार मेरे को कांटा बहुत बुरा चुभा है यार.
हाँ तो कांटा है वहाँ पे जो. Okay guys, now we need to go forward. ऐसे करें. ऐसे.
सुहान दिन.
यार मजा आ रहा है यार. वाह, वल्चर भी दिखाओ दर्शकों को.
दर्शकों को सब दिख रहा है भाई.
So guys, we have lot of vultures in the sky and हम चले सीजन 2 के लिए. आपको कैसा लग रहा है? This is November 28, 2024 and one more time we got this opportunity to do this boating, kayaking. I think kayaking is a little different. What do you think guys? Give us comments. हमारे comment box में हमें आप बताइए कि what we call this. Wow. See, look at this water which is around us. And I'm sure the Velma is calling us. She's not feeling happy about us leaving her inside the house. But that's okay. I think the most important thing is stability when we are doing this.
Yeah, I'm not doing anything.
Yes, अगर आपने थोड़ा सा भी इधर उधर किया तो आप स्लिप हो सकते हैं और पानी में जा सकते हैं. But the sound of water flipping the paddles and the sound is quite meditating.
I'm not sure if it is able to catch our audio from that far, but still.
You can translate or you can tell the audience.
Yeah.
You can show Pete's house there, right there. It's a beautiful house. And I think the house has Pete's aura in it. What do you feel, Karan?
I have never personally met Pete, but from what I have heard, maybe that is true. Oh, what is that? That's
What?
just on your right.
That's wood,
Looks like an alligator.
but alligator. I don't think there are alligators in Athens.
It doesn't matter if what we think. Anything is possible.
Yes, anything is possible. I'm not saying they can't be here. But now the thing is, the wind is, towards us, and we are going against the wind. So it will take more energy to go in the opposite direction. So we need to be a little careful. So again, everybody, the stability is the key, when you are doing this activity. think over last 1 year, both Karan and I, we did a swimming class, and that gave us a lot of confidence. I'm not sure like if we can get out of this water on our own.
Maybe like because we are not dressed properly, maybe it might be a little difficult.
Yes.
But I think we can get out of this water. It's not that far away. But only we can help ourselves right now. I think we cannot help anyone
Yes.
else.
Yes, that's
So
true.
I cannot help you that much. You cannot help me that much.
Yes. So that means we are on our own. Like last time, you know. That was summer. What just happened? I'm just trying to see like where we need to go. Maybe we need to go.
Wait, now I'll start using this.
No, you don't need to. You don't need to correct me. Do you know what those burrows are? Can you show the audience those burrows? Let's go forward, I think. Close to those.
You are going right.
No, I want to go closer to those.
Why? The boat might get stuck. I don't know
No.
how deep it is. It looks like it is
We just want to
turtle's house or something.
closely show like what they are, and also we also want to see what they are.
You actually want, we can take the camera in there, but
Let's do that.
wait, I will try to get the camera as close as
Yeah, that would be like amazing. Let's
This
see.
is one of the places which no one on earth might have touched, this burrow.
Yes, and we are showing all this to you live.
Wait. Be very careful, right? I don't have no control over it.
But it might get dirty.
Yeah, no, so take it out.
So guys, I think we wanted to show you we had good intentions, but all the time having good intentions are not sufficient. We need to consider.
Wait.
We need to consider. Oh, it just hurt.
What?
Sorry, guys. So
Man, this is fragile.
yes. So considering logistical issues.
No, you actually take me on close to it. So
Okay, then maybe yes. Let me try that.
just from center, it is much more stable.
I need to be very careful about the direction, you know.
Wow.
So you will have few minutes. Just be careful.
Yeah, I'm hoping nothing will come
Not
out
a lot
it.
of time. I'm just trying to go slowly.
Yeah. Just a little bit more.
I'm trying to stabilize ourselves now.
I can take it. It's touching water, but that is fine.
What if there is an alligator coming outside this?
It's gone pretty deep. I'm taking it out. It's touching water.
So is this waterproof or not?
No.
No?
No.
Then don't do this, man. You don't need to.
I mean, yeah, it's not deep into water. It's just,
Our audience will understand our limitation.
it just kissed water. It did not go inside water, so it's fine. Should be fine. It's an action camera, but
Okay. So do you think like our food for today will be ready by this time, or we need more time?
it's been. What time did we put that in?
You only showed me the time.
3:40 something. It's 4:15 right now.
4:15
Yeah,
already.
already.
Wow, this is amazing. How the time passed while doing this activity is something all of you guys need to consider. The time just flies. Quite like these vultures in the air. For them also the time is flying, but they are like less worried about what time it is. But maybe it's problematic to say that they're not worried. I'm sure they're also looking for food, and they're worried like by this time they should also have some food.
Maybe I can go and just flip it and you can continue.
No, I'm fine. Let's show the audience Pete's house now. Like we can give a closer look to how it looks. This is an amazing place, I think. But we need to be careful about our direction, otherwise we can just go inside.
Just look how that iron is balanced on top of.
यार, ओए,
रोको क्या कर रहे हो? रोको
अरे
क्या कर रहे हो?
अरे रोको, like we are not pro guys, we are still learning, you know.
क्या सोच के लगाया है ये?
What?
ये इसका नीचे का स्ट्रक्चर.
Like this is quite risky, right? It looks at least very risky. I don't know how stable this is. And if someone just dance on this floor, I don't know how that stable the floor would be. I think what we can do is we can just now go and check our food, and then like if we feel like we can come back. What do you think, Karan?
Yeah, we can go back.
Because we don't want to spoil our day if our food is spoiled.
Just look at that cracked cement.
Look at all this structure. This is almost gone, this second one, right?
Almost gone. Yeah, totally gone.
I think we should tell Pete about this. I don't know he ever.
No, don't tell him.
Why?
I don't know if he might like it or not.
Really? Do you want my advisor to just drown in this water somewhere?
No, I don't think that will happen because like there are so many pillars. It's like mathematically perfectly balanced. Especially when that pillar is in center. It's like,
I think we should go towards that direction, right?
yeah, on the left side of that. So maybe you can go out first and then I can jump out after you. Or you want me to go out? Okay. Wait, I'll take Chappu in now. Taking control.
We need to go. We need to do the reverse. So,
Wait. Yeah,
Yes.
going like exactly where we want to be.
Yeah, this is amazing, man. Like,
But wait, you don't have to go straight back
no, I think.
because you will have to wait. So just try to bring
I think
yourself
we can
towards
go
the
now.
shore.
No.
उधर लाओ ताकि वो स्टेबल रहे थोड़ा. ऐसे में मैं चला जाऊंगा पीछे तो आप कैसे आओगे? इधर से धक्का मारो ना. अरे खुद से नहीं. चप्पू यूज करो ना. हाँ, मैं अपने आप को इधर होल्ड करके रख रहा हूँ. आप धक्का मारो ना उधर. हाँ ऐसे. हाँ सही है. सही कर रहे हो. सही कर रहे हो. अरे आप उधर.
अरे ठीक है, रुको.
आप इधर आओ. आप वापस सीधा आ रहे हो.
अभी डीप तो है ना, नहीं ठीक ठाक.
मैं करता हूँ. रुक जा.
आप सही जा रहे हो. वही ज़्यादा भी नहीं करना है. डूब सकते हैं क्या? बस.
अब आगे करो. राइट साइड से.
लॉन्ग amazing. Got it.
2 मिनट रुकना ना। हाँ रुको हाँ सही है।
Wow. This is amazing.
परफेक्ट।
Perfect.
मैं रोड रोक के रखा हूँ, उतर जाओ आराम से।
Wow.
हाँ, हाथ से पकड़ लो।
आओ तुम अब आगे आगे धीरे
हाथ से पकड़ लो ऐसे। पकड़ लिया।
Guys, so tell us, please like, subscribe and comment and tell us like, oh wow, you can see like how difficult it is to balance. And once again I will emphasize the importance of stability while doing this exercise. So we are almost there and here's the be careful, man.
This काटा।
Ooh, you have quite bad relationship with thorns, so you should be more careful.
जय बजरंग। पलटू।
So guys,
We have to
Done.
flip it.
huh?
Flip it.
What flip it? हाँ, flip कर देते हैं.
2 मिनट रुकना। It was easy, right?
Yeah, it was better, I think. We were more confident, that's why.
Yeah, it's like quick.
Yeah, experience, you know. We had an experience, that's why. Yeah, this is fine. Wow.
I'm just hoping this is not venomous.
Yes, that's okay. Come. If it was venomous, I'm sure people would have put something on it.
Are on this side? What you?
अरे this is there. So guys, आज का टास्क हमने पूरा किया.
Oh, be careful. Tatti. Tatti. A lot of tatti.
That's why the grass is growing so fast here, because it has so much nutrients. देखो मछली पकड़ने लगा. उनको पता चल ही जाएगा मैंने यूज किया ना.
हाँ. Let's go.
कर दिया बंद.